In this video, I'll show you how to check the battery percentage, how much battery you have remaining in your Beats Studio Buds or Studio Buds Plus earbuds. Well, it's different if you're using Android or iPhone, so let me show you on both of them. If you're using an iPhone, I think it's the easiest. You just have to go into the settings. Oops, I'm already here. And once you open settings, you should have right on the top over here Beats Studio Buds, where you can simply click on them and see how much battery is left. If the case has nothing displayed under it, do not worry, simply open the case, put one of the earbuds, no matter which one, inside, close the case, go back into the main menu settings, then open the case, press back, and you're gonna see, whoops, there will be a battery percentage this time. So this way you know how much is left in each of them. Now, if you have an Android device and you want to know this information, well, let's say I will take one out of the case, I'll put it in my ear, and over here just need to go drag down from the top right menu, and some Android devices will be able to display this information right over there under these icons. In my case, my phone does not do this, so I'll need to go into the settings, then go and select connection, Bluetooth, and here I'll be able to see the battery remaining under Beats Studio Buds. You see 100% battery. If you want more information and also more precise battery to know how much is left in your case and in your earbuds, and you have an Android phone, you'll absolutely need to download the Beats app. So go ahead and download the Beats app. And then once you open and you go through a few screens, you're gonna get this main page of the app, and then you'll be able to see how much is left in the left one, right one, and in the case very precisely. You can also choose to change a few different settings as well if you get this app, so I highly recommend it. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.